boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NEFFEX, and we love NEFFEX on Gordon Guitar. It's always fun to play with his songs, and this one is called Hope. Alright, so it really has NEFFEX DNA. It's a pretty easy song to play when it comes to the chords and such, but we have also this melody going on, so that will bring up a notch when it comes to handling. But we will go through everything, and yeah, let's start right away. The capo here on the 2nd fret, and with that we have 3 different chords, we can say. So yeah, we can go over the chords, but we'll mostly work with notes and like kind of bringing out the notes from the chords. That's what we usually do with NEFFEX songs. So anyway, the chords will be A minor first. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be F. I'm going to show you 2 ways of playing F. This one is the full chord, bar chord. So put a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. But what I prefer to do for this song is the shorter version of it, or we can actually say the F major 7, because we'll only use this grip here. That's actually the F major 7 chord. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 1st on B, and open E. So that's the F that I believe will be the best version for this song. Okay, so let's start with this song, and we have kind of 2 melodies going on. We have first one kind of introductional medley, and that will work for the first part of the song, and then we have this 2nd melody that will go through the entire rest of the song. So let's start with this first part, and that sounds like this. Alright, so what we're gonna work with here is a bass note, and we'll alternate that with some top notes, okay? And it's based upon different chords here. So it will start with this position here. That will be the 1st fret on B string and the 3rd fret on E string. So that's the position here. You will start with the open A, and then you hit the 1st B together with 3rd E. You do that for 3 rounds, so 1, 2, 3. And on the 4th round, you play open A again, but you go to the 1st B and hit that together with the 1st E. Okay, and this part so far is a part that belongs to the A minor chord. So open A, alternating that with the 1st B together with 3rd E, 3 times. And on 4th time, open A and 1st B, 1st E. That takes us to the part that belongs to the G chord. And for this one, you will hold this grip like this, your ring finger on the 3rd fret E string in the bass, and your index will be the best for the 1st fret on the B string. So you're gonna continue the same kind of pattern. You alternating the bass first with some top notes, okay? So you will go on the 3rd fret E string in the bass, and then you alternate that with the 1st fret B together with open E for 3 times. On the 4th time, it's a 3rd E in the bass still, but you go to the 1st fret B string together with 1st fret E. So what I do there, I just take my index and I bar it like this on the 1st fret B and E string. So to summarize, we played this so far. And now we have still just the F-based part left. So the new grip will be here on the first fret E string and the bass together with the first fret B string. So that's the new grip here, okay? When you have that, you're gonna play the same kind of pattern, alternating the bass with some top notes. So you're gonna play the first fret E string in the bass, then you hit the first fret B string together with first fret E string. You do that for 2 rounds. So on the 3rd round and 4th round, you're gonna add the 3rd fret on the E string and the top string, and you're gonna continue with first fret E string in the bass, and hit that first fret B string to your 3rd fret E string, the top note, alternating that new part, okay? For 2 times. So the F started in this position, 2 rounds of, and then 2 rounds of adding this 3rd fret on the E string. Everything else is the same. And then you go back for 1 round. Sorry, 2 rounds. And then you add a 3rd on the E string for 1 round. And then you go back again for the first, like this. So this is the grip to summarize the F part, and sometimes you play the open E, sometimes the 3rd E, okay? So I'm gonna summarize this F part for you, just saying open and 3rd, okay? So it will be a total of 8 times with alternating. So we'll start on the open, 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 3rd, 3rd, open, open, 3rd, open. All right, so there you have it. That is the medley number 1. You will play that for 2 rounds in the intro, and then for another 2 rounds with the chorus play. That's how this song starts. So I'm gonna take you through this melody one round from the beginning, A minor to F. So let's go a little bit slower than the standard tempo. That is 1 chord progression round. 2 rounds in intro and 2 rounds in the chorus. And that takes us to the verse. Now we have this new melody number 2, we're gonna call it, and that is what we're gonna play from now till the end of this song. Okay, for this one, it's based upon the same chord progression, A minor, G, F, and F. And now I'm gonna play just clean what notes you need to play, okay? And then I'm gonna show you how to incorporate these notes into the chords, and perhaps even give you where to hit the beat, the clap, to get the right feeling for the song. So first, just the notes, you will play like this. Alright, so that was 1 round. And yeah, let's start with the A minor parts. You will start here on the G string, so 2nd fret G string, 1st fret B string, then 3rd fret E string, then 2 times on the 1st fret B string, and 2 times on the 2nd fret G string. Then 2 times again on the 2nd fret G string. and that is where the A minor ends. Okay, you're gonna continue with the G part, and you will start on the open G string, then 2nd fret G string, and then open G string again, and then open G string 2 times, 3 times, sorry, and then 1st fret B string 2 times, and then 2 times B string again, and this is where the G ends. Okay, now we have the F part left. You will play pretty much the same pattern 2 times. It's 3rd fret on D string 2 times, then open E string, then 3rd fret D string again, and 1st fret B string 2 times, and then 1st fret B string 2 times again. That is one round of F. You're gonna play everything else in the same way again. So you're gonna start all over on the 3rd fret D string 2 times, open E string again, 3rd D string, 2 times on the 1st fret B string, and then 2 times again on the 1st fret B string. So there you have it, many notes here and there. I'm gonna play it through for you. I'm gonna take it very slow so you really can hear how the song goes. And yeah, let's take us through A minor, G, F, F. Goes like this. And so on. So that was one round. And so on. Now we can add the chords to it, so it could be now you use the shorter version. Again. All right, and so on. So it's up to you to bring in the chords. Now you have the medley, the kind of important stuff here, and you will just put some flesh to your body here and build a song of it. And I can also show you where to hit the claps, where it should fit for the song to really get the rhythm for this. So it should be like this. So we'll start here on 1 down, and on the 1st fret B string, right in the beginning of this medley here, you hit the clap there. So down, then you continue. After you play the 2nd time on the G string, 2nd fret G string, hit the clap there as well. Then you go over to the G chord. As soon as you play the open G, 2nd G, open G, you hit the clap there, and then you continue, and then a clap after the 2 time on the 1st fret B string, clap, and then you're gonna continue with the F part, after 2 times on the 1st fret B string, hit a clap, since it's played 2 times in the same way. So yeah, that was just a kind of a brief way of doing the claps here. I think you need to go by feel and hear the rhythm, and then I think you will find your way of hitting claps with the right timing. I can try to show you how to play this a little bit slower so you really can hear where I put the claps here, and you can try to play in the same way or do it in your way. It's up to you, but I'm gonna try to play it slow, and then we're gonna speed up to a standard tempo. So let's go. Alright, give it a try, guys. 3 chords only, kind of 2 different melodies, and that's it for NEFFEX Hope. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave a comment and perhaps leave a wish for this channel here. We have this Wish Wednesday where you can leave a comment and you can wish for a song, and perhaps your song will be here on this channel with a tutorial. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching and play tuned.